Welcome to the next part of the Weekend of Science 59. So in this part, we'll be implementing a home theater OS. So you all know home theater. We have a projector, and then we have the light source, and then whatever the screen size is there. So yeah, I mean basically powering on the projector, powering off the projector, and then dimming of the light. You need according to mood, according to the movie, whatever you're watching, you can set the light as well. So this is what the home theater contains. So in this part, we'll be designing a home theater. So let's begin. First, we have the class smart lights. So and then the location. So each and every location will have smart light. And then we are using constructor to map the location. Now we have two functions, which is one is dim and one is turn on. So this dim is it basically prints this light in this location. Light is dim to this much level percentage. Similarly, when you click on turn on, initially the light is turned on to 100%. So these are the two functions in this smart lights class. Now followed by projector. So again in the projector you have multiple methods, which is turn on, set input, set widescreen mode, and then turn off. So turn on basically says powering up projector. Set input says input source is this one. If you are watching it through a pen drive, or if you're watching it through whatever the external source is there, or else if there is no external source, if there is no HDMI cable, if you're watching directly in the projector, it says that. So all these stuff. Then it has this set screen wide mode. So basically you're setting the screen to 16:9 aspect, which is basically the YouTube aspect. And then the turn off. So yeah, I mean powering down projector, it is again simple method. So then we have the sound system. So speakers, we all will have speakers in home theater. So again we have the turn on function for home theater, powering up audio receiver, and then we are setting the volume. So once you set volume, it is set to volume to this much level out of 100, 70 out of 100 or something like that. And then sets surround sound, which is basically Dolby Atmos 7.1. Again it says activated. Then again set stereo mode, so it says standard 2.0 stereo mode activated. And then again for turning off, it says audio receiver powered off. So now we have the streaming player. So again we have the turn on function, which basically boots up the media player. Then we have the play, it starts playing. It says now playing this movie. And then again playback stop when you stop, and then when you turn off, it turns off. So stop is basically like pausing. So then you have the abstract class theater profile, which basically has the protected smart light, projector, sound system, and then streaming player. So again we are using constructor to map each and everything. And then we have the start experience, and then we have the input movie. So whatever the start experience is there, that is the method, and then the movie is the input. So first it starts with power on device, configure lighting, configure audio, and configure video, and then start playback, that is movie is played. Again we have the next function, power on devices. It has projector turn on, sound turn on, and then player turn on. Then we have the start playback, which is basically starts player.play, which is with the parameter movie. So it says now this movie is being played. I mean, yeah, that's all. Then we have the get profile name, configure lighting, and then configure audio, configure video functions. Then we have the cinematic profile, extend shader profile. So basically we have the next here inheritance is happening. So you can see, we have smart lights L, projector P, sound system which is represented in S, and then streaming player SP. So we are using super. So basically we are taking values from this particular theater value only. Super basically takes value from the parent. And then you have the get profile name, which is cinematic, and then configure lighting, light is dim to 10. When you these are the configurations which is being set to cinematic profile. So once you click on cinematic profile, all these are automatically called, which is profile name is cinematic, lighting is 10% now, volume is 75, and then HDMI 1, which is the whatever the input is there, and then so on. So then widescreen mode again, and then you have the casual night profile. So here casual night profile, light dim is 50. Here in cinematic profile it was 10, here it is 50, and then volume is very low, you're just casually watching a movie. And then again HDMI 1, standard 7, no 4K, that's just standard. Then we have the home theater facade. So here you have the lights, projector, sound, player, and active profile. Again you're using the constructor to map everything, again the basics. And then you have the set profile. So here you check the new profile, whichever the profile you have selected, you set that new profile. Then it says active viewing profile updated. Then again it watch movie, the function watch movie, you give an input movie, and then it says theater, preparing theater for this particular movie. Then again shutting down the home theater, and it stops all the functions. Then we have the main class, where basically we're creating the new instances of smart lights, projector, sound system, and streaming player. Then again home theater as well. And then you say watch movie Inception, you want to watch Inception movie, and then after the movie is over, then you say end movie. And then we are setting the profile to casual night profile. So yeah, then after the casual night profile, so here initially after the casual night profile, first we have the home theater facade, the first mode, and then we have the casual night profile where we are watching movie Dangal. So I hope you guys have understood the solution. This was, step by step. If you learn, it is quite simple. So let me run the program. So yeah, you can see quite big output. So first here initially it says starting cinematic profile, showing a projector, and all this is set, and then it says now playing Inception. And then after you call it off, it says shutting down home theater, and everything is stopped, and then it says theater shutdown complete, goodbye. Similarly for Dangal, here we have casual night profile, here we have cinematic profile. So in this casual night profile again, it's set to 50% and all whatever that we gave here, it is being implemented here. So yeah, let me submit the program. So yeah, the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.